Flashing orange light on a Plusnet router. Ensure that all cables, power, Ethernet, phone line, are securely plugged in. Check for any visible damage. Unplug the router from the power source. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow it to reboot fully, which may take a few minutes. Visit the Plusnet service status page or use their app to check for any reported outages in your area that might be affecting your connection. Connect a device directly to the modem, if separate, using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works, the issue may lie with the router. Ensure the router is placed in a well-ventilated area. If it feels hot, turn it off for a while to cool down before restarting. Log into your router's admin interface, usually via a web browser, and check if there are any firmware updates available. Update if necessary. If issues persist, locate the reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds. This will restore factory settings. You'll need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi and other settings afterward.